Mummy get you a tree? Did she make you something? I just got a bit of a branch my mum cut down and put it in a plant pot thing, so he's got somewhere to put it. What are you doing? Jack? You try and eat my plant. Been cheeky boy. Oh. Jack. Jack. What are you doing? Jack. Yes, I'm talking to you. Come on. Come on. You're playing. Come on. Come on then. Found somewhere new to sit now. Oh, there he is. Oh. Yes, do you like it on there? You're going to climb up that clock, aren't you? Oh. I know what you're thinking.
Oh, it's lovely.
Where are you going? Yes, you like to sit up there. You going to go to your cage? Having a look round? You going to go back to the tree?
Well done, you've earned your drawing badge.
You're thinking cage? Maybe he's thinking cage. Where are you going now? Go on then. Yeah.
Oh, that was fun, wasn't it?
Jack.